feeling, I get tunnel vision. Every time I see you, everything around you fades into the wind, and my heart is thrown open. Feels like slow motion. I never knew the feeling until you. Every time I see you, I'm caught up in your magic. When I fall to pieces, you pull me back together. And when we are together, my feet don't touch the ground. When my world is black and white, you color me back to life. I never knew the feeling until you. When I fall to pieces, you pull me back together. And when we are together, my feet don't touch the ground. When my world is black and white, you color me back to life. I never knew the feeling until you. I never knew the feeling until you.
To our graduates, let my life remain as a testament to inspire all of you that despite your hardship and poverty, along with your parents and your families, education remains to be the only weapon to change your world. Congratulations to all of you and to your families as well. God bless ISOFIST. God bless all of you. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, faculty and staff, our current graduating students, by virtue of the authority vested in me by the Iloilo State University of Fisheries Science and Technology Board of Regents, as per Board Resolution number 48, Series of 2024, I hereby confirm the graduation of the 1,016 students for the academic year 2023-2024. These graduates have successfully completed all the academic requirements for the respective programs with all the rights, honors, and privileges, as well as the obligations and responsibilities pertaining thereto. I proudly present our newest alumni. The future is yours to shape and lead. Congratulations.
Forever and always with you.
po ay nagsumikap, nagtiis sa mga hamon, at ipinakita ang katatagan, pagkamatikain at determinasyon. Ngayon, binibigyan natin kayo ng parangal sa inyong nagawa at ang maliwanag na kinabukasan na naghihintay. Habang kayo'y humahangkang palabas sa pader ng universidad, tandaan po ninyo na ang inyong edukasyon ay hindi lamang tungkol sa kaalaman na inyong napako, hindi sa karunungan inyong nakuha. Binabati ko po kayo lahat sa inyong pagkatapos. Yakapin niyo po ang sandaling ito, pahalagahin ang paglalakbay at humakbang ng may kumpiyansa sa hinaharap. Ang mundo ay naghihintay sa inyo. The world waits